Got suede or fabric footwear that's seen better days? Clean it, restore it, and protect it with the Revivex Suede and Fabric Boot Care Kit. This kit includes everything you need to care for suede, canvas, and mixed material footwear, whether it's trail worn or city scuffed. Start with the stain eraser to lift spots and marks. Then brush away any dirt to prep the surface for cleaning and treating. Use a damp cloth and a small amount of boot and shoe cleaner to wipe down your footwear and remove any remaining grime. Let dry completely. Then apply the included water repellent in smooth, even sprays to protect your shoes from all kinds of inclement weather. After the treatment dries, water beads right off, helping your shoes stay clean and water resistant. Revivex Suede and Fabric Boot Care Kit. All the tools you need to clean, protect, and keep your footwear looking its best, wherever it takes you. Discover the full Revivex lineup, online or at an outdoor retailer near you.